Got them done. And then I can probably start on the tank about the end of the month. Okay. So I can get some projects caught up around here that I got to get finished. Okay. Kind of the effect that you're looking for.
Yeah. That looks so good.
Yeah, and then you can see the glass underneath it. How it actually just sparkles. And then I'll go get the actual lights. But I figured that would give you kind of like that twinkling effect. Yeah, it should sparkle even more out in the sun.
I love it.
So, all right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And then I got kind of an idea for the tank. I know you said you wanted glass everywhere on the tank, right? So you don't want the glass just inside the pinstripes? Or do you want me to do it just how I did this one?